let's discuss about enterprise architecture and how it can benefit any organization when it's implemented. With almost 300,000 licenses sold, enterprise architecture has proven very popular across a wide range of industries. But what really is enterprise architecture? Enterprise architecture is a blueprint for managing an organization's IT assets and IT solutions. So, how can enterprise architecture benefit your organization? Okay, let me give you an example. Let's say a project manager who works in an IT company. Uh, so now, because of new business demands, he is in need for specific data, but this data is spread out over different applications. So a developer writes a program that will get his data from applications, let's say A, B, and C, and writes it to an Excel file in directory Y. That way, that person will be able to read all the data in his spreadsheet and use it. One day, that person realizes that he needs it on a daily basis, as it would save a lot of time if the program ran automatically every day, therefore, or thereafter. So, our infrastructure manager writes a batch job to set it up for him. Now, an application flow has been created, especially for the project manager. But he is not the only one who wants to improve efficiency. So just multiply the situation by a few thousand times, and this is called as a hairball architecture or spaghetti architecture. Think of it as a huge hairball with fibers going in every possible directions, and no one is keeping track of it, and no one has control over it also. Now imagine we have to replace a huge application because it's out of date, and the supplier has said that in 2 years they will stop the support. We have no idea what the application is connected to. It's an endless network of dependency which were all created one at a time, and each connections it made sense at the beginning, but the total is such a chaotic situation that it's impossible to change one aspect without damaging something else. So yeah, now that's where enterprise architecture comes in. We have to deal with the IT landscape in such a way that people have the freedom to create improvements, and that there's always room for innovation. Architecture makes sure that our IT landscape is robust and as well as flexible and also efficient. This requires a process to keep things organized. For this region, for this reason, each new project needs a project style architecture. To wrap this up, in conclusion, enterprise architecture is about three things. We take a look at the existing situation, and we help to develop and evaluate designs, and we create a sketch for the future so that everyone understands the direction we are heading. Architecture is about insight and knowledge. Thank you.